Hello everyone, my name is Dr. John Ssekibaamu and I'm an assistant professor at Colorado Technical University. I teach the fundamentals of networking class. I've been at Colorado Technical University teaching there for about 4 years. Now I'm in my 5th year. Um, I'm here to give a testimony of how I've found uCertify as a teaching tool in this course of the fundamentals of networking. I've used uCertify now for about 2 years. I'm going into my 3rd year. Originally at CTU, we used Intellipath as the platform for teaching this course, but then we changed it to uCertify. When I compare the two, I think and I believe that uCertify is a good component, is a good platform for teaching this course. The reason why uCertify is more fitted for this course, it is because of the two main components which I found so useful, and I can say that I've had a positive approach and I have a positive understanding, and I really recommend this platform, uCertify. The two components that are so important in this platform that have made it so worthy trying and so helpful to me as an instructor and to the students are the AI tutor and also the lab component. These are so important such that any student who takes this course and does or sees what these two components do to their learning, they will love it. And as far as I can tell, students love this platform. At the beginning, it may be a little bit hard because for any software, once you start it, it may not be easy until you have a hang of it. Similarly, for uCertify, you have to have a hang of it first, and then eventually it becomes easier. To me, in the beginning, of course, the first few weeks, it was hard, but after the 3rd and 4th week, going through the labs and also the readings, it became easier for me to use, and that's why I recommend it for any university or for any professors to try it, because it is very useful for students. I recommend it to anybody, especially the professors that teach the fundamentals of networking, because it's a good tool and it helps students to practice, and also it helps them to retain the information they have learned. Thank you for listening to me, and I wish you, especially the professors, to take a look at this and implement it in your courses.